Okay, y'all, I'm outside. This is my outside decorations. Very minimal. But this is it. This is wrapping up the decorations for the outside. My wreath that I made last year. And back inside the door, I'm adding those little balls there. See, I found these, so adding those. So y'all hang on. I'll show you my little additions, and we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, one other thing that I'm gonna switch up in here. I went to my friend's little antique shop downtown today and purchased this cute little cap. Isn't that just neat? It can go anywhere. But y'all guess what I'm gonna do with it? I'm gonna switch out that nativity scene and put the nativity scene on it. And then I'll probably put that Ashante stool somewhere else because I need more space. I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. So y'all hang on. Okay, y'all, I'm back at it. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this nativity scene out and I will be done pretty much. I got a couple other things to do, but for the big part of the decorating, I'm done. So I'm just gonna let y'all see this part here. I'm gonna change my figurines off of here. Handle it with care. Okay. Just gonna move the stool out. And I'm gonna put this nice little table here. Perfect. So I got more surface on here than I did on the stool. So I may or may not, just depends, because I'm trying to let all my colors and my decor sort of fit together.
What's wrong with my screen?
That's no recon. He's having a ball right back. That's that only when children are only children, they play so well by themselves. Okay, so anyway, I got that. That is a nice looking little chest there. Loving it. So anyway, like I said, I purchased it from my friend's. Narik. Hey, sugar baby darling. Gigi is recording, not so loud, okay? Kind of bring it down a little bit for me. I may put a white cloth or some kind of cloth on top. I haven't decided yet, but for right now, we're going to go ahead and just set the nativity scene back up as it was. Just to give you an idea of what I'm doing. Let's see, get the wise men over on this side. I think it's giving me more space. Anyway, I was going to buy that piece anyway. Okay. And we got Joseph. And we got Dear Sweet Mary. Oh yeah, this gives me more space. Little baby Jesus there. And of course, you know the Lamb always watches over Jesus. The Lamb of God. And we had the donkeys there. They were watching over as well. One more. I guess that's it. So, see, I just changed that out so easily. And we're done. So, this part of my decorating is finished. Let me tell y'all something. I am having a ball doing this. It was so much fun. It was even more fun when I was able to go out and find that new piece of, that is just a wonderful piece. And I'm going to take that Ashante stool, I guess, and put it back downstairs. Narika's having such a blast over there where I was going to put it. So, Narika, let me sit this stool. Will this be in your way? You can probably sit there.
I can sit there?
With your thing right there? Yeah, you can sit there. See?
But is it strong?
Yeah, it's strong. He won't know if it's strong enough to hold him. Told me, yeah, it's strong enough to hold you, buddy. That is my sweet child. This is the smartest little boy. He is turning into this. He's learning, you know, when kids start in kindergarten, they start learning math, and they learn new words and all the sounds. And so everything that you say to him, he wants to know the sounds and how you spell it. And that's what children learn. So anywho, y'all, that is my new set nativity scene. Let me just take this off, get the camera off of here, and I can see better what I'm doing. Yeah, I like that in there. And I just, like I said, I just might put a cloth over that. I'm not sure yet. I haven't really made up my mind what I want to do with it. But this will end the decorating. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video so y'all can see my finished product. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your prayers, your well wishes, and all of your comments and compliments. If y'all haven't started decorating yet, go ahead and get started. Don't let me get too far ahead of you now. So until I decide to cook something, which will be shortly because I got to cook some food. Oh, good news, good news. Kareem started working for UPS, so he's out working. So I'll make sure I have something nice and hot for him when he comes in to eat. Now see, this is where I put that Ashanti stew. Right there at the top of the stairs. So Norik's having a ball. He wanted to know if it was strong enough to hold him. I told him, I think so. And I'm going to finish this little area off too, because I've got these. I forgot I had those really pretty decorative Christmas balls. So got a couple more of those put up. And I am finished, folks. So until I decide to cook again or add some more decorations that you haven't seen, love you guys. Keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Pray without ceasing. Do something kind for someone. Be patient. I have to practice patience every day of my life because I deal with so many different things until I just go ahead and practice patience. Because I got a feeling I'm going to need some this evening. Not from Noreen because I'm used to him. But just some other things are going on. So anywho, y'all, love you guys until I decide to do it again now, y'all. Toodaloo. Pray without ceasing. Okay, y'all, come on in. I'm back again. I know I said toodaloo, but I wasn't quite finished. I had to add one more little touch to a couple of things here in the den. I added my flowers in. So now I'm complete. I put the finishing touches on, and I promise this is it. I'm done with this decoration thing. So we've got the flowers up there on top of those bookcases. And I moved one of those Santas from there, and I placed them over there. And I just switched sides with my little Santas there. So I'm done with this room. I'm done decorating, period. Y'all stick a pin in it now because I'm done with it. I'm not putting out any more decorations that I know of for the holidays. We're done. I also added a tablecloth to this table right here. Where the kids, when they sit down here and eat, this is where they eat at. So that little scenery is done. I added, I think I added that bow there. Maybe I added the bow. I'm not sure. I got my picture hung back on the wall. I do know that. And I just added a little bell and a bow right there. So we're done with the decorating. I'm just walking back through and I'm just showing you all the things that I added to what I had already done. So this is the view from the den coming up to the little foyer right here. That is the banister that goes up to the dining room. So I added, oh, those metal lights there. I added those. I was going to put lights around the wreath. I might do that. If there's anything else, that will be all. But we're just going to walk through here and do a little final thing. If I added anything, I'll just say I added some things. Okay. So we're just still walking right on through. We're going to go right up the stairs here. I added, of course, that Ashanti stew there with the vase on it. That little vase right there, I bought that when I was 19 years old. So I can't count right now. I'm tired. So anyway, it's about 55 years old. One of the first pieces of furniture that I bought. decorations. I always loved decorations, so that was one of the first pieces that I ever bought as an adult. Okay, we're just going to go right around into the dining room so that we can see what the decorations look like on this side. So, you know, I added my, changed up that nativity scene. I took it off the Ashanti stool and I put it, and I didn't even try to cover that. I like that little piece of furniture so much. I think I told you the day that I changed it out that I went to my friend's antique shop, grabbed it for 25 bucks. Can you believe it, huh? So you know it's a little storage bin for me. So, anywho, that's what it looks like from this side. We just move right on back. That's my gold wall. I got pictures. You know I got something to hang up there in the middle. And over there on that wall, I got a nice picture that I picked up when I went out the other day. Okay, let's come on back here. Look at it like from here. And then, of course, you go around. Well, my little swag lamp is sort of blocking. But anyway, you see the nice wreaths. The wreaths that I put together went real nice. Just exactly what I wanted. Just the touch that I wanted. Okay, just come right around here. And I put a wreath with just a big white bow on it on that window. Just left my plant and lamps right where they were. So most of this stuff is in here most of the time, all the time rather, except for the Christmas decorations. There's my Santa baby. I call them my Santa babies. Okay, now I did add this table runner when I went to this little decoration shop. And it has some nice little snowflakes on it. So that's something different from the last time that I did the video. So that's something added. And from this side here, you look right into the kitchen area. Okay. When you see these pictures, let's see if I can show you. These two pictures here, I just purchased them from a decorating shop. They're going to go on that yellow wall. One's going to go there, and the other one's going to go on the other wall. And I promise I'm done. This is not for Christmas. That's for permanent there. Anywho, let's go on here to the kitchen. You know, those are the wreaths that I made and put up there. There's the second one. And of course, the third one is the third one on the door table. All this stuff is still, I don't think I added it. No, I did not add anything else in here. So we got the same kitchen stuff in here. I did add those shimmering flowers. I think I did a picture of those somewhere. So that's something a little bit different. So everything else in the kitchen is the same. I didn't do anything over on this side. I'll tell you, there's enough over there. So this is home, y'all. Home sweet home. Okay. So now I want to say thank y'all for dropping in. Hope you got your decorations done or at least started. Thank y'all for dropping in on me while I've completed mine. It took me a little bit. It took me a week to get everything organized because I was looking for stuff. I didn't quite know where it was. But anywho, hope you have the opportunity to get some things going and get your place decorated and make it feel nice and homey and cozy. As you can see, I like mine cozy and homey. That's why I like lots of things. I'm an eclectic decorator. I like everything pretty much. So when y'all see these walls again during the holidays, they will have pictures on them. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So thanks again for dropping in. Hope you have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all of that good stuff. because I plan to. So do something festive and nice for your family, for friends. I do hope I have the opportunity to do something to have friends in over the holidays. I'm going to certainly work on it. But anyway, thank y'all. Love y'all. Keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Pray without ceasing for all the things that are going on in our world today, that it will come to a good end and to a soon end. Whatever is happening, and please, 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 folks, keep our children in prayer when they go out of here to school every day or when they're just out and about. Just pray without ceasing. We can never pray too much. Love you guys so much. Have a blessed holiday and safe season until I decide to cook, decorate, or add to what I've already done, y'all. Love you. Toodaloo.